Mr. Flim Flam made a video on you. Let me check. Well. I didn't think I'd have to be making this video, but here we go. And here I am. Now, Mr. Flim Flam, I can guarantee you one thing right now, that it's not looking good for the both of you and your subscribers. Now, quick question, how many videos have you made about my channel? In fact, I know the answer. Funny enough, it's 4 videos, Mr. Flim Flam. I'm not happy with you. And I'm getting really serious. I'm getting really angry. This isn't becoming a meme. This isn't about me. It's about you making 3 videos because it's easy content. Now listen, I have one serious question to you, Mr. Flim Flam. And take this very, very seriously. What have I done to deserve this? Have I spoken to you before? Have I made you upset? Have I made you jealous because of my AP and my wrist right now that I'm wearing? I don't think it's that. So I want you to respond to this and please let me know, what have I done to deserve this? Now let's jump on my PC and carry on with the video. It's gonna get very, very serious. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. Okay. Now I deeply advise you guys to listen to my full conversation to what I'm going to say about Mr. Flim Flam and his subscribers. Now, not only is his subscribers the worst on this platform, because don't get me wrong, I already got enough hate from the first video that he made on me, okay? And listen, I know what you said about my dog on that video. She's just coming because she wants to speak to you as well, Mr. Flim Flam. As you can see, she's not happy with you, Mr. Flim Flam. Please, don't do that again. Now listen up, okay? I'm gonna get very serious right now, guys. Basically, Mr. Flim Flam, and I know that most of the people watching this video right now are gonna be his subscribers. Anyways, Mr. Flim Flam, your audience on YouTube, you've got a very serious fan base, and I know you do. You know why? Because the amount of people that came to my channel after that video was out of this world. Okay? I like that because I like my own community. I like to make videos on my community and help them out. Okay? Your community / my community, there's a little bit of a battle right now because I don't know who's who in the comment sections, in my live chats, and I don't like it. End of, okay? So if you've caused me a serious issue on the YouTube platform, I don't like it. I don't like it, I'm sorry. So I've got a challenge for you, Mr. Flim Flam. And the challenge is very easy. I face you off in a 1v1 on any Roblox game of your choice. It could be any game that you want, Mr. Flim Flam. Giving you a big advantage to any games that you play. But the rules are this: if you win, this is left alone. I don't make any more videos on you, and neither do you. Easy as that. If I win and I come around with Victory Royale, you have to buy me a 2016 Vauxhall Corsa that you made fun of on your video. And the thing is, Mr. Flim Flam, if you don't take this challenge, there's going to be some very serious consequences. Number 1, I'm going to unsubscribe to your channel. And you might think, oh, I don't really care. No, you should care. You know why? Because I've been a subscriber for 7 years, Mr. Flim Flam. I used to watch you when I was little. A very big inspiration. Now, don't get me started to what you was doing when you actually started to become a YouTuber and the days before that, because there was a lot of accusations of you doing a lot of swearing, a lot of cuss words, but I'm not going to get into that because I don't really care. Alright, Mr. Flim Flam, I want to make this a very mutual thing between me and you. Okay? So let's face a 1v1 on any Roblox game. Let's make this a history and a lesson to be learned from you. Okay? Because you are in the wrong, Mr. Flimflam, and I don't want any troubles to be happening in the future. Understood, Mr. Flimflam? Now, if you guys watching the video right now would like to see this happen, you know exactly what to do after watching this video. And you have 3 days to respond to this video, Mr. Flimflam. Stand your ground and make your fanbase proud. I will fight for this and make sure it leaves a mark in the history books of Roblox.